Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Competitive Botany. In this video, you are going to see APSET previous paper. So the test was conducted during April 2024. So let's see the questions one by one. So actually this is the part 3 video. For part 1 and part 2 you have to go through the playlist of my channel. Please go through that videos too. So let's see the question number 51. Type 1 thymus independent antigens are polyclonal activators focused on to the specific B cells by SLG receptors, CR1 receptors, CR2 receptors, MLG receptors. So for this the correct answer is SLG receptors is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Identify the Jonah protein which initiates acrosome reaction in mouse. Options are ZP1, ZP2, ZP3, ZP4. So the correct answer is C is the correct answer. ZP3 is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. So flavins are the photoreceptors in. Options are phytochrome, cryptochrome, anthocyanins, phycobilins. Let's see the correct answer for this question. Cryptochrome is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. The two opsin proteins in the human rhodopsin that absorbs maximally in the red and the green parts of visible spectrum differ by only. Options are 10 amino acids, 15 amino acids, 20 amino acids, 25 amino acids. So correct answer for this is 15 amino acids. Let's see the question number 55. Identify among the following the correct statements about penetrance and expressivity. So the percentage of individuals with a particular gene combination that exhibits the corresponding character to any degree is termed penetrance of a trait. Second option, the degree of effect produced by a genotype is termed expressivity of a trait. The percentage of individuals with a particular gene combination that exhibits the corresponding character to any degree is termed expressivity of the trait. The degree of effect produced by a genotype is termed penetrance of the trait. So among these you have to pick correct statements. So let's see the correct answer for this. 1 and 2 options are correct regarding penetrance and expressivity. Let's see the next question. So match the following. Here also you have to match the list 1 with list 2. List 1 consists coccidia, giardia, blastomycosis, cat scratch disease. List 2 consists of fungal infection, single cell parasite, Bartonella species, diarrhea. So here I am going to give you the correct answer first and then we'll see the matching, correct matching. Okay. So first one is the correct answer. Okay, so that means coccidia is related to single-celled parasite. Coccidia is a single-celled parasite. Giardia is causing diarrhea. Next, blastomycosis. So, which is a blastomycosis is a type of fungal infection. Cat scratch disease is related to is caused by Bartonella species. Okay, so that's why the option A is the correct one for this question. So let's see the next question. Match the following. Here also you have to match list 1 with list 2. Let's see the list 1. Root knot nematode, cyst nematode, root lesion nematode, burrowing nematode. So list 1 consists nematodes. List 2 consists their scientific names. Okay, so let's see the matching. So here also I'm going to give you the answer first. So C is the correct answer. That means root knot nematode is nothing but meloidogyne species. Okay, so cyst nematode is nothing but Heterodera species. Root lesion nematode is nothing but Pratylenchus species. Burrowing nematode is nothing but Rhodofoller species. So let's see the next question. Match the following. Here also you have to match the list 1 with list 2. So Panthera ansea, Elephas maximus, Panthera leopessica, Cion alpinus. Here the scientific names of animals given, you have to match them with list 2. Okay, so list 2 consists gregarious with a family, matriarch, canine, solitary. You have to match them according to the appropriate match. Okay, so let's see the matching first. So for this the correct answer is B. Okay, Panthera ansea is related to is solitary. Elephas maximus is related to matriarch. So Panthera leopessica so is related to gregarious with a family. Cion alpinus is related to canine. So that's why the correct answer is B. So let's see the next question. The light source for the visible and UV part of the spectrophotometer is dash and a dash. So options are given. So tungsten filament bulb, neon bulb, deuterium bulb, helium bulb. So among these you have to pick two options to fill the two blanks. Okay, so let's see the correct option for this. Tungsten filament bulb and deuterium bulb is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Which of the following microscope creates the image from electrons emitted from the surface of the specimen? Options are SEM, TEM, AFM, MFM. For this, the correct answer is SEM. So, scanning electron microscope is the correct answer, which scans the surface of the specimen. Let's see the next question. Arrange the following reactions of PP pathway in a proper sequence. So, cedoheptulose 7-phosphate reacts with glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate to form erythrose 4-phosphate along with fructose 6-phosphate. Conversion of ribulose 5-phosphate to ribose 5-phosphate and xylulose 5-phosphate. Conversion of 6-phospho-glucano-alpha lactose to 6-phosphoglucanase. Conversion of glucose 6-phosphate to 6-phosphoglucano-D-galactose. You have to tell the correct order for these steps. Okay, so I'm going to give you the answer. So B is the correct answer. That means first step is fourth step and then third step and then second and then one. Okay, so let's see the next question. Which one of the following statements is not correct with reference to euchromatin? Options are given. The region is deeply stained in the divisional cycle but less stained in the interphase. The region is genetically less active, contains repetitive DNA. The region is able to synthesize mRNA in vitro. The region is not sticky. Among them, you have to pick the correct statement about euchromatin. So I'm going to give you the answer. That is B. The region is genetically less active, contains repetitive DNA is correct statement regarding euchromatin. Let's see the next question. So the function of leucine zipper is, options are binding to DNA, dimerization, transcriptional termination, translational activation. So for this the correct answer is B, that is dimerization is the correct answer. Okay, so let's see the next question. Match the list 1 with list 2. Here also you have to match the list 1 with list 2. So I'm going to give you list 1: hedgehog signaling, not signaling, GPCR signaling, WNT signaling. List 2 consists beta catenin, phospholipase, CI protein, delta. So you have to match the list 1 with the list 2. So I'm going to give you the answer first. D is the correct answer. That means hedgehog signaling is related to third one, that is CI protein. Notch signaling is related to fourth one, that is delta. GPCR signaling is related to second one, that is phospholipase C. WNT signaling is related to beta catenin. Okay, so I'm going to give you the same next question. Here also you have to match the list 1 with list 2. Gap genes, primary pair rule genes, secondary pair rule genes, segment polarity genes. So let's see the correct answer for this. C is the correct answer. Okay, so I'm going to match the list 1 with list 2. So gap genes are related to CAR or Kruppel. Next, primary pair rule genes are related to even skipped. Secondary pair genes are related to odd skipped. Segment polarity genes are related to EN, engrailed. Okay, so let's see the next question. So a set of local populations occupying an array of habit patches and connected to one another by the movement of individuals among them is called. Options are metapopulation, alien population, monospecific population, polyspecific population. So for this the correct answer is metapopulation is the correct one. Okay, so let's see the next question. How many amino acids are present in a angiotensin 2? Okay, the correct answer is, so options are 12, 10, 8, 6. So the correct answer is 8 is the correct answer. Match the following chromosomal conditions in human with their abnormalities. So chromosomal abnormalities are given. So single X chromosome in females, XXY males, deletion of a part of short arm of chromosome 5, trisomic condition for chromosome 21. So I'm going to give you the correct answer. So for this the correct answer is D is the correct answer. Single X chromosome in females is leading to Turner syndrome. XXY males is nothing but Klinefelter syndrome. Deletion of a part of short arm of chromosome 5 is related to Cray-Duchat syndrome. Trisomic condition is nothing but Down syndrome. Okay, let's see the next question. A stable and self-sustainable community with high biodiversity in a particular ecosystem as an end result of succession is known as. Options are climax community, serial community, nodulation, a species-specific interaction, pioneer community. So for this the correct answer is climax community is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. What is not a freshwater lake? Renuka Lake, Manas Sarovar Lake, Lonar Lake, Bostal Lake. So the correct answer is C. Lonar Lake is not a freshwater lake. Identify the direct drivers of biodiversity and ecosystem. So here 4 statements are given. Natural resources use, invasive species, pollution, efforts to increase soil fertility. So the correct option is 1 and 2 and 3 are correct statements regarding biodiversity. So let's see the next question. Micro biosensors use signals proportionate to the concentration of an analyte in the reaction to access biological or chemical reactions, and their activity is based on. Options are ions effect, magnetic effect, piezoelectric effect, eye sensitive field effect, transistor. For this, the correct answer is last one. Let's see the next question. LIDAR is employed in. Options are measurement of radioactivity, gene transfer, protoplast fusion, remote sensing. So the correct answer is remote sensing is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Here also you have to match the list 1 with list 2. So list 1 consists pantothenic acid, vitamins. List 2 consists their deficiency leads to pantothenic acid, biotin, pyridoxine, vitamin B1. So vitamins. Okay. Let's see the correct option first. So, pantothenic acid deficiency leading to component of coenzyme A. So, pantothenic acid is a component of coenzyme A. It's not a deficiency, it's a part of coenzyme A. So, biotin. So, biotin is the prosthetic group for carboxylation reactions. Okay. So, let's see the next one, pyridoxine. Pyridoxine is sideroblastic anemia. So due to deficiency of pyridoxine leading to sideroblastic anemia. Vitamin B1. So Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. So that leading to deficiency of vitamin B1 leading to a syndrome. Let's see the next question. Philip Sharp and Richard Roberts made the discovery of. Options are overlapping genes, pseudogenes, interrupted genes, cryptic genes. For this, the correct answer is interrupted genes is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. The state of chromosomal DNA at the time of replication is. Options are naked DNA double helix form, extended nucleosome form, solenoid form, looped solenoid form. So for this, the correct answer is extended nucleosome form. Okay, that is the correct answer. Thank you. Thanks for watching.